Hello guys, Mike here from the Bull Capital, and today we're gonna draw some trends. Okay, in the last lesson we talked a bit about what trends are, and now we're gonna draw some. So actually trends are more complicated, and in the beginner section I'm just gonna do few videos, basic videos about trends, and I will get more in depth into advanced section because they can get pretty complex, to be honest. So right now let's just learn how to draw some simple trends. Okay, so I am on BTC 4 hours, and a trend, it gives us a direction of the market. Okay, if it goes up or if it goes down. So for example here it formed an uptrend. Okay, so we take the ray with magnet tool on, and the thing is that we have to take the lowest bullish candle as a starting point. So if it's an uptrend, we take the last bullish candle. If it's a downtrend, we take a bearish candle. Okay, it's very important. So this is the bullish candle here we have, and we go to the next lowest bullish candle, which is this one. Gonna mark it with red. Okay, so here we have an uptrend. So the market is moving upwards. Okay, and a downtrend, mostly it's formed when uptrend it's being broken. So for example here the trend has been broken. It went back up to trying to reclaim the trend, but it failed. So it's just dumped here, and this is the starting point of the downtrend. Okay, here mark with this red. So now we have a downtrend. So the market moves in trends, uptrends and downtrends. When a downtrend is being broken, it forms a downtrend. When a downtrend is being broken, it forms an uptrend. Okay, so now we have another uptrend here. We take bullish candle to the next lowest bullish candle, and we have another trend here. Okay, now what happens here, as I spoke in the fourth lesson about trends, this is a sideways trend. It moves, it oscillates between two fixed levels. Okay, it's either it's opposing the market, meaning that the trend can have a continuation or a change in direction. So let's actually mark this this sideways here. I don't know exactly where it is, but I'm just gonna mark it like this, and we're gonna see. But now that we know we had an uptrend here and it being broken down, and now that we have this sideways trend, it means that there are high chances for the trend to change into a downtrend. Okay, so it actually did. So it formed another downtrend. We take the highest bearish candle, which is this one. Okay, and the next bearish candle, the highest, okay, which is this one. Let me change the color to red. Okay, so it changed direction and formed another downtrend. Okay, so as you see, we had uptrend, we broke the uptrend, we form a downtrend, we broke the downtrend, we form another uptrend, then we broke the downtrend and it formed a sideways trend, which means a pause in the market, a continuation of the trend. But since we broke the trend, it might meaning that it means that it's gonna have a change in direction, and actually we had here it formed a downtrend. Okay, we broke this downtrend, and actually the trends you are combining with levels. Okay, because here we have a resistance and it failed to break it, so it formed another trend, another downtrend. Okay, so we have another downtrend here, and now it broke this, and at least on 4-hour time frame we have another sideways trend. Okay, so meaning that it can have another direction change. Okay, so actually right now we are on BTC on current price. And actually let's see. Okay, so it can change direction, it can form an uptrend, or can have a continuation of the downtrend, right? Of course, on lower time frames we have trends here and downtrends. Okay, if we go 1 hour time frame, for example, again we have different downtrends and uptrends. Yeah, but on each time frame you have different trends. So I'm gonna remove all these and let's go to daily. Let's go to daily. For example, this is an uptrend on the daily, right? And here, for example, it formed another uptrend. Yes. So to form a trend you need at least 2 points. Yes, a starting point and a second point. Okay, so you can have a lot of trends on different time frames. So these are from daily. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. Okay, and here we can have another one. Yes, and also if we take this section here, if we go to 1 hour time frame, let's see if we have any. So we have another one here. Okay, so this is a smaller trend on 1 hour, this is a 4 hour trend, and these two are daily trends. Okay, so now you actually mapping the chart. Okay, so you have multiple trends on different time frames. So this is how we mark trends and downtrends. So for uptrends, you take the lowest bullish candle, yes, and the next bullish candle, which is the lowest, and you form a trend. For a downtrend, you take the highest bearish candle and the next highest bearish candle, and you form a downtrend. So for example, this is a 1 hour trend here. Okay, I'm gonna change the color to blue. It's 1 hour uptrend. This 1 hour uptrend, it's weaker than the 4 hour uptrend. I'm gonna mark with okay, I'm gonna mark with this color, with purple. Yeah, it's a 4 hour uptrend. So the blue trend, it's weaker than the purple trend, and the purple trend, it's weaker than the green trend, which is a daily trend. Yes, same as levels, because it takes more time to develop. Yes, and as long so for example, this blue trend here on 1 hour time frame has been touched many times, while the purple trend, it still hasn't been touched yet. Okay, so I hope that it was easy to understand about trends, about how to draw a trend, and all the patterns that you may know. It also, they are formed from trends, and we're gonna talk about that in the future lessons. So that was all for now, and we're gonna see again in the next one. Have a nice day.